Erectile dysfunction, ED, commonly known as impotence, is a medical condition characterized by the inability to achieve or maintain an erection sufficient for sexual intercourse. It is a prevalent condition that can affect men of all ages, although it becomes more common as men get older. We will study more about male erectile dysfunction in this video. Causes. Erectile dysfunction can be caused by various physical factors that are vascular problems, conditions that affect blood flow to the penis, such as atherosclerosis, high blood pressure, or diabetes, can impair the ability to achieve and sustain an erection. Neurological disorders, conditions like multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, and spinal cord injuries can affect nerve signals to the penis. Hormonal imbalances, low testosterone levels can contribute to erectile dysfunction. Anatomical issues, structural abnormalities of the penis or the surrounding tissues may interfere with normal erectile function. Psychological factors, mental health issues, stress, anxiety, depression, relationship problems, or performance anxiety can lead to temporary or chronic erectile dysfunction. Lifestyle factors, unhealthy lifestyle choices, such as smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, drug use, obesity, and lack of physical activity, can contribute to erectile dysfunction. Medications, some medications, including certain antidepressants, antihypertensives, and antipsychotics, can cause or exacerbate erectile dysfunction as a side effect. Symptoms of erectile dysfunction. The main symptom of erectile dysfunction is the consistent inability to achieve or maintain an erection firm enough for sexual intercourse. In some cases, men with erectile dysfunction may still have morning erections or be able to achieve an erection through self-stimulation but struggle with erections during sexual activity. Diagnosis. Diagnosis typically involves a comprehensive medical history and physical examination. Blood tests may be conducted to check for underlying conditions like diabetes or low testosterone. Additional tests, such as penile Doppler ultrasound or nocturnal penile tumescence testing, may be performed to assess blood flow and nighttime erections. Treatment options. The choice of treatment depends on the underlying cause of erectile dysfunction and individual preferences. Treatment options include lifestyle modifications, making healthy lifestyle changes such as quitting smoking, reducing alcohol consumption, losing weight, and increasing physical activity can improve erectile function. Psychotherapy, counseling or therapy can be beneficial for addressing psychological factors contributing to erectile dysfunction. Medications, several medications, such as sildenafil, Viagra, tadalafil, Cialis, Vardenafil, Levitra, and avanafil, Stendra, are available to treat erectile dysfunction by enhancing blood flow to the penis. Vacuum erection devices. These mechanical devices create a vacuum around the penis, drawing blood into the area to produce an erection. Penile injections. Medications injected directly into the penis can stimulate an erection. Penile implants. Surgical implants, including inflatable and semi-rigid devices, can provide a long-term solution for erectile dysfunction when other treatments are ineffective. Psychological support. Erectile dysfunction can have a significant psychological impact on individuals and their partners. Seeking emotional support, couples counseling, or sex therapy can be valuable in addressing the emotional aspects of erectile dysfunction and maintaining a healthy relationship. Prevention. Some risk factors for erectile dysfunction can be mitigated through lifestyle changes, including maintaining a healthy weight, exercising regularly, managing chronic conditions like diabetes and hypertension, and avoiding substance abuse. Summary. Erectile dysfunction is a common condition that can result from physical, psychological, or lifestyle factors. It can have a significant impact on a man's quality of life and may also affect his partner. Early diagnosis and appropriate treatment options can help men with erectile dysfunction regain their sexual function and overall well-being. It's essential for individuals experiencing erectile dysfunction to consult with a healthcare provider to identify the underlying cause and explore suitable treatment options.